Marco's Track It Recipe Formulation module is the key to achieving product consistency in industries such as food, beverage, cosmetics, and flavours and fragrances. It also provides perpetual stock management, helps eliminate waste, and so maximises your factory floor productivity. Manufacturers face a number of critical challenges, many still relying on time-consuming manual paperwork system to manage their recipes. These are inherently inaccurate and do not provide the necessary control and traceability. Without accurate real-time factory floor data, ERP and MRP systems run blind and unaccountable losses are inevitable. The Marco Recipe Formulation module has been specifically developed to manage your recipe processes accurately and repeatably. The system guides operators through the formulation process, ensuring each and every ingredient and every sub-batch is correctly collated. A key advantage is that it can be implemented as a standalone module within your existing factory structure, providing a rapid return on your investment. The Marco Recipe Formulation module manages the whole process, from a bill of materials to final mixing. Operator-friendly state-of-the-art terminals with clear and ambiguous graphics guide the operator through the formulation process. Barcode scanners are used to automatically identify ingredients, premixes and sub-batches, ensuring a strict FIFO use-by regime. Simple touchscreen prompts guide the user through the recipe process. The weighing of ingredients is controlled via a visual coloured bar graph system, removing the need for operators to concern themselves with actual weights. They cannot proceed to the next stage unless target weights have been met. Cost-related GHS symbols for each ingredient are also highlighted on the screen, advising operators on all the important factors relating to the ingredient being dispensed. The Marco Recipe Formulation system is integration of software with hardware, providing operator accountability via ID recording, use-by-date compliance, stock visibility and availability, bill of materials reconciliation, ingredient and recipe validation sign-off, priority scheduling of work, monitoring of BRC-approved suppliers, rework routines, full COSH and GHS messaging, allergen warnings for specific ingredients,